everybody. The next dance calls Down and Dirty. I'm going to turn my back on you so you will see the steps better. Okay? First we make a walkthrough. I'm going to show you the steps, and after the steps I'm going to dance one more so you see how it flows. Okay? So Down and Dirty starts with 4 shimmies. The first shimmy, the shimmy is you step out, shake your shoulders and bring your feet together. That means the first shimmy goes to the right, so you step out, shake your shoulders and bring your feet together. To the left, step out, shake your shoulders together. Another one to the right, right, shake your shoulders together, and the last one to the left, out and together. Now we make a Monterey. We start with the right, we step out with the right, you step on it and make half a turn. The left steps just out, and then you bring your left foot back to the center. Now we do the same thing on the other side. You bring the right foot out, step on it, turn, the left goes out, and then you bring it back together. That was the Monterey. After the Monterey, what we do is we step right forward, make a quarter turn to left. Then we step right forward again, we kick with left, left goes back, right goes next to left and claps at the same time. And that's the end of the dance. So, now let's dance it. So, we do 1 shimmy, 2 shimmy, 3 shimmy, 4 shimmy. Out, step on it, turn out, back. Out, step on it, turn, back. Step and turn, step and kick, back, clap. That's the end of the dance.